Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a whole grain carbohydrate because of its high fiber content, which makes it a good source of nourishment. Oatmeal is one of the most handy breakfast options since it is easy to make. In addition to the fact that it includes a substantial quantity of water, it is quite filling and so contributes to weight gain. In addition to reducing blood sugar and slowing digestion, beta-glucan, which is found in large quantities in oatmeal, also helps to prevent weight gain. Broths. In a recent research, it was shown that full substantial meals are not always filling and satisfying. In addition to providing you with a longer duration of feeling content, soups may provide you with up to 80% more calories than other meals. Therefore, broth soups are chosen over cream soups since they contain less calories and cause less bloating than their cream counterparts. A broth-based soup is a terrific alternative for individuals who want to feel full for a longer amount of time after eating it. Eggs. Eating eggs is a great way to get a good dose of protein into your diet. You may find them in a variety of recipes, including those that are offered for breakfast or brunch. The American Heart Association now recognizes eggs as one of the healthiest foods you can eat, contrary to common thinking, despite the fact that they have had a terrible reputation in the past. After ingesting eggs, it is likely that you will not feel hungry for a significant amount of time after your meal. All 9 essential amino acids may be found in eggs, making them a complete protein supply. The high protein content of eggs makes them a great addition to any breakfast casserole recipe. Fish. Fish is high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, and it is low in fat, making it a healthy choice. You may benefit from omega-3 fatty acids not only for your physical health, but can also improve your brain health and capacity to focus. According to plenty of research, fish is not only lower in calories but also more rewarding than other meats in terms of satisfaction. Compared to beef, fish consumption resulted in an 11% decrease in calorie intake, according to the findings of a recent study, as opposed to cow eating. Apples. There is no difference in the nutrient and vitamin content of apples compared to other fruits. A snack or appetizer of apples is reported to have a high satiety index, meaning they keep you satiated longer. Apples include a kind of fiber known as pectin, which is beneficial for digestion in addition to the other nutrients they provide. The water content in apples, on the other hand, means that you can stay hydrated even if you aren't hungry. Cottage cheese. Despite the fact that cheese is a dairy product, it does not contribute to weight gain. Only cottage cheese comes close to the genuine thing in terms of flavor, calorie and fat content, and overall nutritional value. Additionally, this cuisine contains a range of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B, phosphorus, calcium, and selenium, to name a few. Its satiating properties are identical to those of eggs, therefore it will keep you feeling fuller for a longer amount of time than eggs alone. Orange. Oranges are the world's most commonly eaten vitamin C source. A medium-sized orange has just 80 calories, which is a very low calorie count. Because it is juicy and delicious, you may use it to create a smoothie or eat it as a snack. Citrus fruits may also aid in the maintenance of healthy cholesterol and blood glucose levels in the bloodstream, according to recent study findings. Because oranges have a high concentration of vitamin C, they are particularly good for strengthening your immune system's performance and resistance.